And welcome back. So today we're going to be working on the D4. It's not too complicated compared to the other ones we've done so far, but it's not as simple as just putting down a triangle and calling it good. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so first thing, as always, grab up Sketch. We'll be working on the bottom plane for the beginning here. And we want to go to a polygon, and again a center polygon here. And we'll go out to, let's call it 40. Then we just want 3 sides, so there we go, and finish. And that's pretty much it for our size. What we're going to do is we're going to basically make 3 more, well technically 4 total, but 3 more of these and stitch them together. So we're going to go to surface, and we're going to patch. We're going to patch this plane as basically one, it's a body, right? So now we're going to grab it. We're going to click on the body itself, hit Control C, Control V, and it's kind of wonky here. If you just grab somewhere in the middle there, it'll kind of click. It'll find its midpoint, but that's where you want to click at. And then we're going to rotate it on vertically, right? So move it a little bit, and then you're going to want to type in 70.529, right? That's one piece. You can kind of see what we're doing here, right? So same thing again, click it, Control C, Control V, try to grab that midpoint line. Again, it's a little wonky. Sometimes it'll just jump, sometimes it won't. There it goes. It's right there. Okay. And then move it, and we're gonna go, so this one's negative. Same thing, set negative 70.529, enter, last one, Control C, Control V. Oh, I didn't click it, that's what didn't work. So click it, Control C, Control V, and find that midpoint, rotate, negative 70.529. Oh, double negative. There we go. Okay, so there we go. We have our basic shape, but now it's not one body. So we're going to need to do is stitch it together. Click Stitch Tool, and you're going to click all the faces. Bottom, and you see we have all of them together, and it's going to make a new component. Click OK, and there we go. So now we have a new component that's one solid body. Okay, now just like our other dice, we'll import our SVGs to get our numbers. So go and click the dice face, and make sure you're on solid here. Go to Insert, Insert SVG, and grab your SVG file. Open, and again, sizes always vary, so might get a huge one, might get a small one, just kind of depends on however you created it. So, there we go. Enter. Finish. And I always like to demonstrate at least once. So we got our SVG imported here, and we're going to start grabbing the what we want to extrude. There we go, and then we're going to extrude it probably minus 0.5. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, so 0.5 will work. Alright, so I'll go ahead and do this to the rest of the dice faces, and we'll be right back. Alright, so we're back. Only 4 sides, so it's pretty quick to do this. So we got 1, 2, 3, and on the bottom we got our 4. So again, yeah, there you go. Pretty quick, simple dice tutorial. Nothing too crazy about it. We have a few more to go, so if the one you're looking for I haven't done yet, just stay tuned and I'll get to it eventually. Thanks for watching.